Hi, Fred Gagnon here, the owner of Napa's Premier Service Center located in Marietta, Georgia. I hope you are doing well. If you're a first-time customer, watch to the end of this video and I'll have a special discount offer just for you. If you ever wanted to know more about your vehicle's maintenance needs but were afraid to ask your mechanic or thought perhaps the answer might be too technical, then this brief video will provide you with important information that I think you'll find helpful. My staff and I are dedicated to making sure you can drive your vehicle worry-free for as long as possible and at the least expense. Now don't forget, at the end of this video I've got a special offer just for you as a first-time customer.
Let's face it, tires don't last forever, and the two main reasons for replacement are wear and damage. There are several ways to inspect your tires. You can visually check their general condition and look for abnormal and uneven wear patterns. You could also perform the penny test, or check to see if the wear bars are visible to ensure there is sufficient tread remaining to safely operate the vehicle under all driving conditions. Tires may last 20,000 to 80,000 miles, depending upon quality and composition. But we recommend replacing your tires when the wear bars are visible or there is less than 1/16 of an inch of tread remaining. The penny trick works because the distance between the rim and Lincoln's head is 1/16 of an inch, the minimum required tread depth. When your tire tread is lower than 1/16 of an inch, your vehicle can develop handling problems. Installing new tires will not only increase your car's fuel efficiency, but it will also improve your car's handling, braking ability, and ride quality. From a safety standpoint, it should be pretty obvious. A driver's ability to control their vehicle depends on the traction between their tires on the road. Affect this, and it could ultimately lead to an accident. From an environmental point of view, better gas mileage is always good for the environment.
So, please give us a call and we'll be glad to answer all your questions and provide you with any helpful and friendly advice you may need. And now for my special offer. As a first-time customer, you can choose either a free full-service oil change or $25 off any repair or maintenance service of your choice. Just give us a call and say, I want the new customer special. This is my way of saying thanks for giving us a try.